afternoon, stampers and crafters. This is Renee Daly from StampKnowHow.com, and I've got another fun project for you today. It's a colored birthday card using the Young at Heart stamp set from Stampin Up. And we're going to be doing some coloring with our Stampin Blends, and it's a pretty simple card to put together. So let's get started. Make sure you watch all the way through so that you have a chance to win your very own brand new copy of the Young at Heart stamp set. I'll have more information in the video on what you need to do to enter. Good luck. So first off, we're going to need a few supplies. You're going to need a scrap of Whisper White cardstock. You're going to need a piece of mint macaron that's 1 1/4 by 4 1/4 inches. You're going to need a piece of the Woven Threads DSP measuring 3 inches by 4 1/4. You're going to need another piece of the Woven Threads DSP in the pretty peacock color that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then for your card base, you're going to need a piece of Whisper White cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 11 and it's scored at 5 1/2. Okay, I think to get started, we're going to go ahead and do our stamping. And for that, I have Memento ink because we're going to be coloring with our alcohol markers. So we're going to go ahead and ink up our birthday stamp. And I'll leave enough space around that just so that I can cut that out with our Stitch So Sweetly dies and a frame. I have another scrap here, so we're going to go ahead and stamp that again. Yes, we all make mistakes, and that's okay. So I'll try that again. See if we can get the bottom of those words to come out a little bit better. That looks a lot better. Okay, I'm going to set that aside for now. I'm going to go ahead and color the cake in and our lady. Then this part I'm going to go ahead and speed up so you don't have to be completely bored here. Bring in our big shot. Go ahead and cut out our little lady with this the Stitch So Sweetly die. And kind of put her a little off to the left. Okay, that gives us our little piece there. And for this sentiment, this box is just a little too big, so we're actually going to run it through twice. You can see it's a little too big, so I could have just recut. I'm gonna try and line up where the scallops would be on the die. Well, there you go. You have a smaller box just using the same die. Cool trick. Okay, we're done with that. We can move that out of the way. Let's go ahead and do the inside of our card, and then we can put this together. I'm just going to use the Memento ink again. Just give that a second to get the stock there. Rest is just assembling, so this is pretty easy. Just gonna go ahead and put some snail on our big piece here. Card front. I'll just layer this other piece right over top of that. And the same for the macaron piece. So I told you earlier, if you'd like a chance to win the Young at Heart stamp set, go ahead and leave me a comment on this video and please share. And right around the end of the month, around March 30th, I'll go ahead and pick a winner from the comments. So it's only one comment per person though, so you can't really get multiple entries for that, and you have to be over 18 to win. So make sure you live in the United States. I'm not going to ship outside the United States either. So you can see my blog entry for more information on how to win. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a really simple card. And just gonna go ahead and put dimensionals on the back of this. And I'm gonna just need a little bit of snail on this side. And a couple of dimensionals for the other side. Just to pop it up. I'm just going to tuck that in here, right under the cake. And then the last thing you need to do is we're going to tie a little mini bow just right off the spool. And then we're going to attach that with the glue dot. So there's our card for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to leave a comment so you can win that stamp set. And I look forward to hearing from y'all. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day.